Hello there, everyone. As you have probably remembered, I had said that I am a member of Scentbird, and I will put a link under this video as to how you can also order. It is a monthly subscription of fragrances, perfumes, colognes, as well as scented candles and some makeup items, but mainly it's the perfumes and colognes. So for women and for men, and then some unisex of uh, the real deal, the name brand item itself, not a knockoff, not an aftermarket or anything of that nature, the actual fragrance. And you get one from one per month to three per month, depending on which membership you decide to do. I opted for the three per month because of me. And it's a tube that is filled with that particular fragrance that you say that you want. You can get to go online and you can choose either the surprise me method, or you can actually navigate your queue and decide which ones you want. So I just received my box. Scentbird, Scentbird. I'm opening. It's the big reveal, and it is gorgeous inside. So we have the wrap paper, and then how to use. So as I mentioned, the tubes are filled with approximately 30 days worth of product. Then I guess it's giving me a card as to which ones that I received. So I have Vince Camuto and Aqua da Parme, and I believe one dropped. Oh, here it is. One moment here, sorry. There we go. You see, this is real raw. And then I also have the referral program. So act like I said, and then the candle. So which is one of these. I have the pretty paper, lots and lots of paper. And pull that out. And then this is the candle. It says good enough to eat. Scentbird cranberry and spiked pear. That was my first fragrance. Oh, I like this. So it's a nice top on top of that you can actually pull up, if I can get it up. Pull out. Oh my goodness. That smells good. That smells really good. I would probably say a six ounce, maybe. Definitely larger than a votive, but I don't, yeah. This is about that size. Really cute. And that does smell good. I can't wait to burn that. And then I opted for Hubs and then myself. So you're in one of these little tubes that's protecting it. And then it comes out. And there you go. The Aqua da Parma. So this is Hubs. This is the cologne. Let me see. Push down. Ooh, I like that. Oh yeah, I like that. Very nice. I like that fragrance. Oh, that smells good. Manly. And then mine is in this little travel case. I think these are cute because you can put these in your purse. Yeah, put them in your car. Ladies, if you have a compact purse, I mean, I like to be able to freshen up throughout the day. So this here is perfect. That smell of the aqua hitting my face, it smells good. And then this is mine. Oh, look at that. See that? Pop up. So ladies, you get this. Almost like a lipstick. I'm just twisting it. And the man was in this protective tube. And they also have a case that you can also store these in. So let me smell mine now. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Yes. So supposedly, oh my, that smells so good. So there's enough in there for 30 days if you spray every single day. I don't wear my perfumes like that. I rotate them. So I sometimes go to bed smelling one way and wake up smelling another. Just depends on what type of fragrance I want to start the day off with. So these are perfect for me. Mine will probably last longer than 30 days, but I'm still going to continue to get my every 30-day supply. Again, Scentbird, Scentbird. I will post a link included. Check them out.